a mail. Let's see. Oh, can I see? Let's go. Okay, then let's go to the train. Welcome to Quebec City. Cool. Nice. I know, right? Welcome to Vancouver.
Hello, here's a man.
Going to the bathroom.
I'm drinking boba and then I want a crepe and then...
Are we going now?
We're going, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
All right.
Hello.
Hey, welcome. I hate you.
Let's get this over with. It's
I will buy some food.
Hello.
La 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 la.
Here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know how to drive. Albert. Okay. Let's get in. I'm gonna feed the cabbage to the baby ducks.